Welcome to Factor Tech. Today you will learn how to upload documents. To begin, it's important to consider that the minimum documentation you need to process your payment is copy of the rate confirmation, bill of lading, proof of delivery, which may be a signature received, a stamp, or even a ticket. Remember that all documentation must be legible and clear. Use an application that allows you to scan your invoices using your phone's camera, such as Cam Scanner, and save it in PDF format. You must upload all the documents pages, even those that are blank. Otherwise, the invoice will be declined, and you would have to repeat the process. Go to factortech.com, click on the Client Portal button, and enter your credentials. Then, on the left menu, click on Invoice Upload Carrier. This will take you to the Documents Upload module. On the left, click on the Start Now button under Submit a New Invoice. You must have the following documents ready and upload them in a clear and legible way: rate confirmation copy, bill of lading, proof of delivery, lumper invoice, tail tickets, other documents related to the load. You must fill in the following information on the blank spaces. Debtor, which R refers to the broker's name. If you can't find the load ID, is the load number on the BOL. It may show as trip number, job number, or ship number. If you are not sure about the load ID, you can just type 1234. Then type in the amount of your invoice and comments. If you have your TCS fuel card and want to request a fuel advance, select the option I am requesting a fuel advance. This service has a specific cost that you can check with your account executive and will automatically advance 50% or the load's price to your fuel card. Click on Browse or Drag and drop the previously mentioned documents in image or PDF format. You must upload each document per load. You will see the list of uploaded documents. You can remove and re-upload them according to your needs. If you want to submit multiple invoices, once you click on Save, the system will show you the summarization of the invoices submitted in the section Incomplete Invoices, while the section Invoice Submission will be blank. You can still edit the requests on the Incomplete Invoices section and add more invoices as needed. Once all your invoices and its documentation are uploaded correctly, click on Submit for payment. You must choose at least one payment option, otherwise the load won't be paid. If you submit the invoice before 1 p.m. Eastern Time, you will receive the payment in 24 hours or less, depending on your bank. Wire is an immediate transaction that costs $20 regardless of the amount to be paid. Your bank may charge you for this transaction. We advise using this option in case of an emergency or for big amounts. TCS is just like the wire. You may want to split the payment in different methods. For example, if the load amount is $1,000, you can choose $500 on ACH and $500 on TCS. If you submitted multiple invoices and want to receive the payment in one transaction, select the checkbox that says All Loads Together Only. To verify the process was correctly executed, click Home and check the invoice's statutes. If the status shows a decline, you will receive a notification to the email registered on the account. It usually happens with issues related to the documentation. Some examples of why an invoice gets declined are missing documents, non-legible documents, incomplete information or documentation, for example, page 2 of the BOL. If your load is declined and you already know how to correct it, you must enter again and re-upload the documents as if it were a new load. Please specify in the comments section that the load was sent before. The possible status of your invoices are received. This means that the request was received. It does not mean it was approved. Purchased. When payment is approved and sent. Declined. Loads uploaded incorrectly or incomplete. Pending. Loads that have not been paid yet. Exception. the loads that have issues, such as claims. It is important that you keep an eye on the purchase report, and in case you have any questions, you may contact your account executive for further information.